Hey, you ever thought about like what we would do if we ran into this thing, if it exists?
Somewhat. I mean, well, you know, the car is like only so far away. We just run them back to it and drive off.
Shh, shh, shh. Listen. You hear that?
Yeah. That sounds like some coyotes.
Coyotes?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Pretty sure. Hold on.
Nothing to worry about. They're like, just in case. Really, they're nothing to worry about. They're not like this big, you know. Okay, very small. Wait. How many of them are, do you think? God, they're all around the tent.
They're not gonna come in.
I mean, obviously, but I'm just, just don't want coyotes snooping around. Wait, you hear that?
What's that?
They're leaving.
Yeah, sounded like another coyote called them, maybe.
Yeah. That was a weird sounding coyote.
Alright, so what do you think? I mean, like coyotes last night or
Oh, there was a dog. Sorry.
oh,
I got just my tent.
hey doggy. Hi.
Hey, puppy. Hey. Hey. Oh, is this your dog? Yeah. Okay. It's a, no, she's fine. It's a she, right? Yeah. Okay.
Hi. Morning.
Hi.
That's camping? We were camping.
Yeah, we were.
This is gonna seem like a weird question, but have you guys noticed anything like weird, like strange, like seen anything?
Like, what kind of strange?
Well, I know it's hard to explain. Just anything out of the ordinary, like it's not regular kind of weird. Like any noises that you guys don't recognize.
Yeah.
Did you see? Have you seen?
Sounds.
The only thing we saw was a dead coyote carcass over there.
Really?
And she's been acting kind of weird, but
Like
Kind of weird.
something's there and she's barking at it, but we don't see anything.
yeah, it could be elk though. 'Cause there
True.
Yeah.
So,
Saw some.
so where is it? Where's the coyote carcass? Like
right up
just
on the
literally
ridge.
right over there.
Yeah.
Here, could you take the camera? I'll carry the tent for a bit.
There you go. Just right up this way.
Up here?
Yeah, the dog found it earlier.
I'm thinking it's a coyote because we saw like dog footprints.
Oh, that's
Leave it.
True, leave it.
oh.
I mean, there isn't much left of it.
No,
I'm sure animals got to it.
that's pretty gross.
And the scuffle.
Yeah, it looks like there are some drag marks, paw prints.
What's weird is there's no bones.
Yeah, it kind of looks like it just munched on it here and left.
Well, we'll leave you to your carcass.
All right. Well, yeah. Thanks. Sorry. Yeah. Thanks for showing us. That's kind of gross,
Quick
though.
question.
What?
Why do you have a camera?
We're sort of.
Kind of documenting. We're making I guess you could say it's a nature documentary.
I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, we kind of made a student film a while back, and there was kind of something weird on it.
We're kind of looking for something that might not be exactly native here, out in the woods.
Like what?
I don't know, but something bigger than a coyote, definitely.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, thanks for showing us
Thanks.
where this was.
Yeah,
Yeah,
hope
no
you
problem.
This is definitely helpful.
don't find what you're looking for. So.
Yeah. Thanks.
All right,
Have a good day.
Yeah. Have a good hike.
Bye.
So what do you think?
Definitely heard some coyotes move through our camp last night.
Yeah, well, dude, I know, but when they left, I don't know what the hell that was. It didn't sound like a coyote. It sounded like a coyote, but it didn't too. I don't know.
Well, it was a long way off. It was just carrying weirdly on the wind, right?
I guess. I don't know. It just sounded weird. It sounded like almost like it was... Never mind. I don't know.
Let's carry on.
Yeah, okay.